Welcome to Best Car Fixes, a Nissan Pathfinder 2010, 12 with this IPDM relays box. Okay, I want to show you where is the output and input of the fuse box. I mean the engine control module. ECM relay. ECM relay is a relay that close and feed all the accessory for the engine computer. Okay, you see here this fuse here, this fuse number 53. The fuse have a different number, but in the wiring diagram is fuse number 53. It have full power all the time. See here, this fuse have full power all the time. This power is energizing a relay that inside the circuit board, and the power coming from this fuse, the wide wire. So now we have power going to the relay that is built into the fuse box. Now how we energize the relay is this wire here, circuit 111. You see here now we have already power coming here. If we give ground here, and then as soon as the computer receive power and ground ignition primary from the key, it will activate this relay. This relay, when it's activated, it will send power into these two wires. You see this pin here, pin 3 and pin 4. They go down to energize the engine computer. So now I'm gonna put this one here, for example. The car will not start. When we turn the ignition on, the car doesn't want to start at all. But you see here, the car will not start. Can you crank it for me? On and off. Okay, start. You see nothing. Okay, hold on. Now I'm gonna put this one here. You see, as soon as I put ground here, see power coming here. Start it. You see the car start. So we have a problem that the engine computer, it doesn't send ground, it doesn't command the relay output. So this is one. Also now when you accelerate, we don't have no power on this purple wire. You see this purple wire is supposed to control the throttle body. You see this is throttle body acceleration section. This one too. We need also the throttle body to function by energizing, by bringing power here and power ground to the throttle body to accelerate. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like. In a few minutes, so we know that in order for the engine control, look now, because if I take this one, it never works, you see. I take it out, it never works. Start it again. Start. Okay, if I take it, car shut off. So if I put it in here, we know that this is a relay command. We know that this is two wires, is a relay output to the engine computer. And look here, this one here, from here, this one here is the relay output, engine computer output to energize the relay. So this one is finished. Now we're gonna work on the throttle body also. We have a throttle body input and output to see how those things work. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like.